Today, we're going to take a look at an AI project with an under $25 million market cap. I've been wanting to cover this one for a while, and finally they got staking, and it's on the Polygon network. Let's take a look at VAIOT. Welcome back to the APY Guy channel. I try to find you the best sources of passive income, through farming and staking of blue chips to low market cap gems that can have huge gains in the next bull market. If any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Drop a like on the video. Greatly appreciate it. Nothing on this channel or in this video is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. All right, we're going to be on VAIOT.ai. This is a really cool project, kind of the first of its kind that I've seen, at least. It says AI-driven services powered by the first VFAA regulated digital asset. What does it mean to be a VFAA regulated digital asset? Well, I'm going to tell you, because I looked it up. The Malta Financial Services Authority, under the Malta Virtual Financials Assets Act, which is the VFAA, has issued the first license regulating the initial virtual financial assets offerings. Malta-based VAIOT successfully registered its white paper for its VAI token with the authority, working through an authorized VFA agent, which acts as a liaison between the licensee and the authority. Pretty cool stuff. We're going to take a look at what the tech has to offer. I just want to go back and put an emphasis on the way that they're taking the first steps in regulation. That's going to be very important going forward. Be looking at projects to make sure they're doing that. So if there was something that happens in the future with government regulations, that they're already taking the correct steps and going in the right direction. Okay, let's go down and see. Well, let's look here. AI developed in cooperation with IBM. Awesome partnership there. All right, let's scroll down and look at the use cases. AI legal assistant, generating intelligent contracts, the concept of smart contracts through AI-driven conversational flows, focusing on both contract analysis and automatic creation of ready-to-sign traditional contracts and their digital equivalents. Pretty cool stuff. Definitely good use case. AI crypto protection broker and aggregator, an AI-driven solution that uses our AI assistance interface to aggregate products and services and distribute them to consumers through highly personalized offers and recommendations. Well, and then AI merchant, a sales assistant. An AI assistant has a new digital channel for intelligent shopping, buying services, and conducting instant transactions, providing customers with easier, faster, and more affordable ways to access services offered by various businesses. Let's look at this quick video. They explain how this actually works really quick. Let me play it here. There you go.
Where in the world? VAIOT is like your personal assistant, providing legal services such as intelligently creating custom contracts tailored to your needs. These are both printable, traditional written contracts, as well as digital, securely stored on the blockchain. With VAIOT, creating a contract is as easy as talking. Hi VAIOT, I need a contract for my new employee.
Hello Jane, sure. I'll just need a few details. Shall we proceed?
But that's not all. VAIOT also introduces brand new intelligent service distribution channels that empower businesses to adapt to modern customers by offering new ways of accessing services. In this way, enterprises and customers both benefit. It's a win-win situation. Oh, and did we mention that everything VAIOT does for you is made secure by blockchain technology? VAIOT, intelligent services, just say the word.
As you can see, this has a lot of potential. There's tons of stuff you could do with this. I could see you can make a rental contract with it, like a legal binding rental contract. Say if you're selling a car or something, you could do something simple as that. And they'd store all this on the blockchain. Or you can do, it's a digital or actual written agreements. You could actually probably print out an agreement and actually physically sign it, or you could sign it digitally, I'm sure, as well. And to go even further, this where they say VAIOT Solutions, it says VAIOT Solutions offer a new intelligent channel for service distribution and transactions by uniquely combining the skills and knowledge of a sales rep, an analyst, a lawyer, a programmer, and a personal assistant. VAIOT utilizes multiple AI mechanisms, such as natural language processing, to create a new channel for delivering and assessing various services with vastly improved user experience. Really cool stuff. And then they explain their technology overview. They're using OpenAI's GPT-3, and they're going to use GPT-4 when available. It says VAIOT is using GPT-3 and will integrate GPT-4 for branching the AI conversational flow, covering the unstructured parts of the user flow. GPT proves to be extremely useful while sourcing legal and public administration information to provide guidance due to its broad general knowledge and problem-solving abilities. GPT-4 is also set to revolutionize VAIOT AI legal assistance. And they say they use Microsoft Lewis, IBM Watson, and they list a bunch of different other things that they use with it, which is very impressive. Okay, now we got all the use case out of the way. Now let's look at the tokenomics. VAI tokens hold the regulatory status of virtual financial assets, the first ever regulated project in Malta. The VAI token is the digital currency of the VAIOT platform, set to incentivize users to utilize VAIOT's solutions through systems like the payback program, which is fueled by VAI's and is crucial for the functionality of the underlying VAI BC technology. It says VAI tokens are used as payback bonus after a purchase is completed by the user in one of VAIOT's solutions. It's a payment method for goods and services offered via VAIOT solutions, and it's rewards for nodes securing the network. Also collateral for the price stabilizing system they call VVAS, and deposit in VAIOT's bonding system to access certain functionalities or use them on preferential terms. Also, unit of account for transaction fees and intelligent contracts execution. VAI tokens are available both on Polygon and Ethereum networks, and VAIOT's mainnet blockchain functions are integrated with a proprietary private blockchain built on top of Polygon Edge and operated on the Polygon mainnet network. The VAIOT token there's 400 million total. Okay, time for some price action. If we go to CoinGecko, we'll try first. If we go down, we can look at the all-time high. The all-time high is $3.60. That was in 2021, April 2nd of 2021. And then the all-time low is, I wish I got in then, so it's up 60,834% from its all-time low. It's currently trading at 10.2 cents. The total supply is 400 million tokens. The circulating supply is 234.8 million tokens. The market cap is under 25 million, like I promised. And so it's a little more than half of the total supply is in circulation. I'll show you something funny though, because I charted this a while back. Go to Trading View. Yeah, there we go. So I was gonna do a Fibonacci on this big run up it had, and I took it from the bottom to the top, and the funny part is it never retraced. So it came up to the top here, and then it kind of just went sideways and then went back up. And then now this is the daily. It literally came straight across from that top. Weird. I know usually it retraces somewhat. It hit this top and then it just kind of went sideways, went up, and I guess it kind of retraced from here. But I bought in around I think I got some in around 7 cents, and then I bought more around 9 cents. So it's kind of in a range now. I think you could probably get some down around 7-8 cents probably if you kind of watch it. But the staking is really cool. That just came out recently. We're gonna take a look at that now. We go back to the VAIOT website. We go to the top right here. We got if we hit stake now. They show here the original pool, which was the ETH VAI pool, which I was going to get into, but I decided not to. And I just kind of got into other projects and I kind of forgot about it. I always liked the project. I just, I like to earn, passively. I like to accumulate. And they didn't have another option for staking besides this. I did have some on KuCoin because there was KuCoin staking. I don't like to stake on exchanges, but I was. And then if you go here now, this is their new pool. If we connect our wallet, this is on Matic, Polygon, and it's paying out a pool rate of 58.47%, which is really good. It's got 22 days left, and you literally just deposit straight VAI tokens. And there's only 4.16 million out of the 20 million that are available to stake. I am currently staking in this. The only thing that you kind of have to worry about, I don't think you have to worry about it anymore because I think they fixed it. Do your own research and make sure. I bought my tokens on SushiSwap. It has to be on Matic Polygon network. SushiSwap had that breach. They had that hack. I think everything is fixed, but double check. I was able to get some the other day and everything went fine. The hack happened after that. I went back yesterday, I believe, and I took a look at it and it seemed like everything was okay. I checked out all their Twitter and stuff like that. Not financial advice. Double check and make sure for yourself that SushiSwap is back up and running 100% and safely. So this is an awesome pool. It's on, Matic Polygon, so fees are super cheap. I don't think there's anywhere else to get the token. Let's try here. We go to markets. They're listing KuCoin. Actually, they're listing, that's for ETH. I don't know. I think SushiSwap's the only other one. Let's go to their Twitter. It's on MEXC now. They just launched on MEXC, but I don't think that's a Matic token. I don't know if you can withdraw from Matic token. Hang on a second, let me check. Yeah, I checked, and the only option now is on KuCoin, you can only withdraw the ETH token, and XC doesn't even have withdrawals yet. So we're gonna have to wait on that. So it's gonna be SushiSwap is the only way to get the Matic version of the token. I'm trying to look down here to see where they say, yeah, SushiSwap is the only way to get it. Let me click on theirs and see if they have any information about the hack. Just double check everything. SushiSwap's cool though, because they're gonna make everybody whole. They're gonna make sure everybody gets their funds back that was affected in the hack, which is really cool. They get it all taken care of. Yeah, just double check. SushiSwap's the only one that I could find. You might want to try looking on Uniswap and seeing if you can get the Matic token as well. But SushiSwap looks like they have everything back up and running. But again, do your own research. And okay, VAIOT, it looks like a really cool project. The AI narrative is really strong, and I think it's going to be really strong again throughout. I'm not sure if this is a bull market that we're in, but in the next bull market, it's definitely going to be a big, I think it's going to be very popular and it's going to do really well. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you follow me on Twitter for sooner updates. I put a lot of stuff out there on Twitter. And as always, thank you for watching and have a great day.